Well, as of date, the law and order situation is satisfactory. Overall, we have had not many major disruptions, but of course, there will always be uh, isolated incidents. I would only urge upon all concerned to always feel free that if you have any grievances, come to the negotiating table. That will help resolve a lot of issues rather than taking them to the streets and then the entire city is held to ransom because of a few elements.
Your take on one nation, one elections?
Yeah.
I am yet to fully study the impact of such a plan on the part of the government, but I do feel that in the context of a very diverse country like India, for instance, a country that is so diverse that in fact we need more than one time zone. So how can you talk in terms of one nation, one election? The rest of the country is up at they start working pretty late compared to us because the sun rises much earlier here. So the United States is a single nation, but it has four different time zones. So I think that answers a lot.